Hello and welcome to yet another Manfred Mentors episode. Can you believe it? It's episode 9. And today I'm going to try to do a little bit different thing, and that is I am going to announce and give you a sneak peek of what's coming up in our next Trino Community Broadcast episode number 78. So here on the Trino website, Trino Community Broadcast website, you can obviously look at all the old episodes, but you can also see what's coming up next. And we have something planned for January that's going to be super exciting. We are joined by Rob Dickinson. Rob from Boulder, as he is known as in terms of on his LinkedIn profile. You can see here he has been in the Trino community for a long time, was a VP of Greylog, and has also been in the Trino ecosystem before that. And he's been playing around with a lot of AI tools, and in fact also presented at Trino Summit in 2024. You look at the Trino Summit blog post here. We had a recap here, and his recording is also right here. And what he was, let me scroll down a little bit if I find it. It was on the second day, I think. We can just go and do for search or Rob. Yeah, virtual view hierarchies with Trino. Rob did that at Greylog, and it was quite amazing. He used Trino views and composed full hierarchies and more around that. And he's taken this approach to another level, and that's what he's going to share with us more about. The interesting aspect is also that he has been doing a lot of AI-based coding and has gone deep into that and has a lot of experience with that. And that's going to be really interesting because he also used it on the development of his tools. You have the virtual view manifesto that he wrote, which is kind of interesting to and fun to read, and we'll discuss that. His view mapper and view zoo projects, you can see the manifesto here is on GitHub already on his GitHub profile, and the view mapper and view zoo projects are also available. And he's going to share with us what these tools are for, how he got around to writing them, and the processes he used, and we'll just have a lot of good time discussing all those details and views in Trino. It's going to be myself and Cole, and beyond that, it's also going to be cool because we have 2 new Trino releases that came out since the last Trino Community Broadcast. So Trino 478 and 479 are out. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the Trino Query UI that we managed to get a new release out. Yes, but there's some other fun things that are happening around that. And also, hopefully, we'll get a Trino Gateway release out as well. So there's lots to talk about. So don't forget to sort of like register. Well, there's no registering really. All you do is you go on the Trino Community Broadcast website, you go to the YouTube or LinkedIn links, and just like, put it on your watch list, put it in your calendar. We will see you on the 16th of January. It's gonna be great. And if you're interested in vibe coding and all this kind of stuff, I also want to just quickly plug, and at ChainGuard, we've created a really cool, fun Vibe Olympics event where people sort of compete on their programming with using AI and agentic workflows and creating some cool, like basically overcoming some cool challenges. And the finals for that is tomorrow. You should also totally check that out on the chainguard.dev website. So lots of cool stuff happening in the community. And I'll see you in Trino Community Broadcast 78 in January, or probably much earlier than that on Manfred Mentors, next episode being 10. Cool. See you then.